Hello and welcome. Hope this video finds you in great spirit. Today I'll be showing you how I made my beautiful ocean themed solar powered light that you can hang anywhere around your house. Right now I have some sand, some glass stones, and small shells that I picked up from the dollar store, and the small shells are from the Hobby Lobby. I have some cord with my crochet needle, scissor, my E6000 glue, empty candle jar, and solar lights that I also picked up from the dollar store. I'm gonna start by pouring the sand into the empty candle jar that I had cleaned, and I'm gonna add the blue glass stones. Just give it a quick shake to level everything out. Then I'm going to add my beautiful small assortment of shells. Just toss them in, give it a quick shake once in a while just to have them in an upright position and leveled out. This really doesn't matter because when it's hanging and the wind blows, it's going to twist. But for right now, just to light them upright. After that, we're going to put on our solar cap. We don't need the base, so we're going to toss that to the side, and we just need the solar light. I'm going to use its E6000 glue, put it generously around the top of the jar. And I'm doing this at this minute just to get the drying process going while I work on the other steps. This part can actually be done at the end, but I got a little impatient, wanted to see the finished product, so I said, okay, the sooner I get this glue drying, the sooner I can see my finished product. So just add the cap just like that, and these caps are perfect, these solar caps, because they fit the candle jar so perfectly. It's like they were made for each other, as you can see. So I'm just cleaning up the glue around the edges. There's a little on the inside of the jar. I'm not going to worry about that because right there, because when we put on our string, you're not going to see it, so I'm not going to worry about that. So while that is drying, I'm going to start making the cord to the go around so that we can hang it wherever we would like. You actually don't have to put a cord on to hang if you don't like, but you're going to see you're going to want to hang it somewhere as beautiful as they are. So right now I'm just doing crochet chains to make my cord, and like I said, this is optional to you. You can use whatever cord you have available. You really don't have to do the crochet chains. But I love crocheting, and I just wanted a crocheted cord for my solar light. So I'm doing chains of about 80 to 120. Like I said, it's depends on you how long you would like the hanging cord to be. So the key is to just have it long enough to go around the jar and enough to hang. So I'm just going to continue doing these chains until I get the desired length I would like. Almost there. And if you'd like to know how to make these crochet chains, I'll definitely be posting other videos on crocheting. My nieces are getting older now, and they're into arts and craft and everything auntie likes. So I'll definitely be making some videos for my little nieces. So stay tuned for that. And thank you again for joining and watching this video. Hope you'll be pleased at the end. So right now I have my desired length. Just tying it around the jar, and the key is to get both ends of the string on equal sides of the jar so that you have a nicely hanging solar light. So just doing my adjustments. And depending on the cord you have, you might not have to go through all this struggle. I'm pretty sure you'll figure out an easier way to do this. But this is my first, and trust and believe I've learned a thing or two in making these steps a little easier. But here we go, almost there, just tightening up. And here you go, ladies and gentlemen. We have the finished product. Aren't they beautiful? It is so dark out, and as you can see, they are giving off a beautiful glow. Yes, they have accumulated water over time. These are actually 6 months old, and they do accumulate moisture from all the heat and the rain, and so all that moisture accumulates in the jar, giving it that beautiful ocean theme that we desired. Thank you.